Good afternoon, Scrappers. CCscraps channel. Welcome, everybody. Hope you're having a great weekend. And, well, I was going to do a video today about, if you watched one of my last videos, I had a bag of tools. It was called Gift Bag of Tools. And my father left me this hammer in there, gave me one. And I shouldn't say left me. He gave me some tools in the bag. Anyway, I was going to clean this up today for you guys and see what it looks like. I mean, the head's on there pretty solid, but I was over here to my wire wheel, and I was going to use this. I could use my new drill press, but not yet. I got a foot amphenol for it too. But as I noticed, I guess I can use my drill press, which I probably would, but I noticed that this is broken. So it just so happens that I think I've wired up a couple of things like this off camera before, but I'm pretty confident where I think I can share it with you guys and not look like a total idiot. And I don't even think I'm going to cross the wire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look here. It's a 3-prong plug. I'm going to go over to my plugs. I've been collecting these, go figure, right? Collecting Scout Craft, or you might appreciate this. Got this, it's a little, let me turn the light on here. It's like a little coffee tin full of like random plugs. Like, I got a nice new strain relief right here. And I got this cool, like this plug's kind of old school. And it matches the drill itself. See, it's kind of got that old school look to it. I think we're going to use this plug on that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to inspect this wire. I mean, it's got a lot of dings in it. But it's not like here. It's, it's still a little chilly out, so everything's tight, but it doesn't seem to be dry rotted in any spots. The plug itself, I really don't think it's the original plug. But we're going to put a whole new wire. I'd like to put a whole new wire on this, which I do have one. It's a nice wire right there. I want to save that for something else. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clip this here, run it through the strain relief, and just reattach it in here and clean up what's inside. And then I'm going to attach this plug to this wire. We're going to use the wire. I mean, it's still a little dinged here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me shut off the light. See right there where it's kind of a little ding to it. But all in all, it's not in bad shape. But sit tight. So this is what this is going to be about, is fixing this drill press. Well, drill that I got. I found this actually at a yard sale. It's made in Taiwan. I don't know the make of the drill itself because the badging's off it. I feel like it's a Black & Decker or a Black & Decker knockoff. But I got this entire setup right here for $5. Like, you can't, to be honest with you, I couldn't get my money out of my pocket fast enough. It goes up and down. The thing I don't like about it is that if I could offset it this way, then this wouldn't be in the way. But, it's a small price to pay. Forgecraft is what it's called. But I like it. I mean, it's built pretty solid. I showcased this before at one of my other videos, but not as much depth. But anyway, we're going to get this off of here, and we'll get you in the cradle. So, I managed to get the screws out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it came apart, plastic, which is cool. Little switch cover. Looks like we got our ground wire right here. Boom. To the motor. And then I got the positive and the negative. Right there and there. The brushes are shot. But I'm running into a dilemma here. The dilemma is that that this switch is wired right into the the input power cord, or the power cord. So I don't know what to do on that one. What to do. So I don't know. What do you think? All right, so let me, oops, I almost spilled that. Let me think here. So, what do you think we should do? We could cut the wire and then splice on here, but I don't know if I want to do that yet. I don't know what to do. I might need help, y'all out there that know what the hell they're doing. There's electricians out there and guys that fix these things. They're like, yeah, I kind of feel like a dummy, but you know, I don't know. Like, I like my old tools, and I want to learn how to do it, but I know I could replace the brushes probably and clean the slip ring. But, like, I've rewired stuff before, and it didn't have... I've not seen this, because I haven't rewired a lot of things, obviously. Like, the strain relief's still nice. So, I don't know what to do here. Then I took apart this off camera, so I decided that I was going to just do, like, I was going to take apart the plug. Let me just take it apart again for you guys so you can kind of see what I was doing. Kind of did it off camera, but I'll reshare it because I'm probably going to have to end this video because I don't really know what else to do. Like, I would put this plug on the wire, but I don't know if I want to keep this wire now and just shorten it or what. So, I don't know what I want to do yet. So, sit tight for a second. So I got it apart again, just you know, like I said, I wanted to share. These all, you know, it's already marked. You got the green, you just match them up, kaboom, pretty easy. Bang, comes out. There's a little set screw in here that holds everything down. And then the thing fits the jacket. It's like a little jacket right here. It even shows you the green's the ground. Kind of cool, right? And this is like an older school plug. I kind of think's neat because, like I showed you before in the beginning, it does match. Like, it matches it almost like it was part of it. And I think that's the style of plug that might have gone with this because it's got that. This drill is like screaming 70s to me from what I see. Maybe late 60s. I mean, I don't know. It looks, it's got that 70s vibe to it. Maybe late 70s. But it does, like I said, it does have a rigid chuck. That's kind of cool. So maybe it's a rigid. But the badging's all off it, like it's torn off. So anyway, that's how it goes back together. So on that note, I'm going to end this here. I'll get inside. Hope you all have a great weekend. And if you guys can help, that would be great. What I should do, any suggestions? All right, have a great weekend. CCscraps, y'all. Peace.